Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a traditional recipe. Today we will make a very famous ISKCON khichdi, traditionally in earthen pot. ISKCON temples usually distribute this dish as prasadam and it's quite famous. Khichdi is often described as one pot meal. Srila Prabhupada once said that khichdi is a poor man's feast. So let's get started. First, I have taken half cup of rice. You can take any varieties of rice. 1/4 cup chana dal or split chickpeas and 1/4 cup yellow moong dal. I had already soaked all this and it has been 1 hour by now. Here I have heated 6 cups of water in an earthen pot. To this add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder and the soaked chana dal. Mix it now. I have listed down all the ingredients in the description box below. You can refer it. Cook it this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see our dal has been partially cooked. Now let's add the soaked moong dal. Add soaked rice. Further add 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise and 2 medium sized cinnamon sticks. Give it a mix again. This khichdi is often given as prasad in many ISKCON temples. I have taken around 2 cups of vegetables like carrot, cauliflower florets, beans, potatoes and pumpkins all chopped. You can add as many vegetables you like and want to add. Next, let's add all the vegetables. To this, we will add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Give it a good mix. This khichdi is made in different ways in different places. But we will be making the khichdi in the pot to give it a traditional flavor. It has been mixed well. Cover the pot with the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes. After 7 to 8 minutes, let's mix it once more. This khichdi can also be called Bengali khichdi. If you do not have earthen pot, there is no need to mix, rather just cook the khichdi in pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Now we will cook it further for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's mix it well. Let's check. Yes, the vegetables have softened and well cooked. Switch off the flame. Now we will season it. This is a classic Bengali seasoning. Here I have taken Pachforam, which include half teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon fenugreek seed, half teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon nigella seeds or kalonji, and half teaspoon fennel seed. Next, in a kadai, I will heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and let it melt. The ghee has melted and let's add in the Pachforam. Two dry red chilies and let it flutter. Now add half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Mix it. Ready, turn off the flame now. Pour the seasoning in the khichdi and we are done. Our wonderful ISKCON khichdi is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. ISKCON khichdi is offered and ready. Let's honor it together. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any recipe. If you like to watch bhoga recipes in Hindi, visit Govinda's Cuisine on YouTube. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.